Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in civic education, we're going to be looking at national consciousness. Okay? Our topic for today in civic education is on national consciousness. So are we ready for the lesson? In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at concept of loyalty, disloyalty, and lastly, consequences of disloyalty. Okay? So are we ready for the lesson? So what do we mean by national consciousness? National consciousness refers to a collective awareness and shared identity among the citizens of a nation. Okay? It involves a deep understanding of one's belonging to a specific country, along with an appreciation of its history, culture, values, and shared aspirations. Do you understand? National consciousness is when people feel a strong connection to their country. It's about knowing and caring about the country's history, culture, and values. This shared awareness creates a sense of unity and pride, motivating individuals to contribute positively to their nation. Okay? Do you understand? So national consciousness is a crucial aspect of civic education, instilling a sense of identity and belonging among citizens. So in this context, loyalty plays a good role in fostering a strong connection between individuals and their nation. Okay? So now let's look at the concept of loyalty and disloyalty. Loyalty involves a deep and unwavering commitment to one's country. It includes respecting national symbols, values, and institutions, contributing positively to society, and actively participating in civic duties. Okay? And disloyalty, on the other hand, refers to actions or attitudes that betray the trust and commitment expected from citizens. This can manifest in various forms, such as undermining national unity, engaging in antisocial behaviors, or disrespecting national symbols. Do you understand? Loyalty means being devoted and committed to someone or something. So, in the context of civic education, it involves a strong and unwavering commitment to one's country. Being loyal to your nation includes respecting its values, symbols, and institutions, and actively participating in activities that contribute positively to society. Okay? It's like a strong bond that connects individuals to their country with a sense of dedication and responsibility. Do you understand? Then disloyalty is like not being a good friend to your country. It's when someone goes against the values and symbols of their nation. This could mean doing things that harm the country, okay, like spreading negativity, not respecting its rules, or not caring about its well-being. Disloyalty breaks the trust and connection between an individual and their country. Do you understand that? Loyalty and disloyalty. Loyalty is like being a good friend to your country. It means caring about and sticking with your country through thick and thin. Being loyal involves respecting your country, whatever it stands for, like its values and symbols, and doing things to make it a better place for everyone. And disloyalty is when someone doesn't act like a good friend to their country. It's like doing things that go against what the country stands for, like not following the rules or not caring about making things better. It's like breaking the trust between you and your country. So we now have an idea of what loyalty and disloyalty mean, right? Good. So let's look at consequences of disloyalty. Consequences of disloyalty. If someone is not a good friend to their country and acts disloyally, there can be serious consequences, okay? 1. Loss of trust. Disloyalty erodes trust among citizens. When people act against the values of their country, others may find it difficult to rely on them, weakening the social fabric. Okay? People don't trust each other. If someone isn't loyal to their country, others might not trust them. Trust is like the glue that holds a community together, and disloyalty can make it weaker. Okay? You understand? If someone consistently spreads rumors about their country, others may stop trusting them, thinking they are not really committed to the well-being of the community. Do you understand that? Social discord. Disloyalty can contribute to conflicts and disagreements within the community. Actions that undermine national unity may lead to divisions and strained relationships among citizens. Do you understand that? Arguments and fights. Being disloyal can lead to fights and disagreements in the neighborhood or community. It's like everyone pulling in different directions instead of working together. Do you understand that? Imagine a situation where people argue about not respecting the country's symbols during the national event. This disagreement creates tension and disrupts the community's harmony. Another consequence is erosion of national unity. If individuals act disloyally, it weakens the sense of togetherness that binds a nation. National unity, a key strength for progress, can be compromised, hindering collective efforts for the common good. Not feeling together. Disloyalty makes it hard for everyone to feel like they belong to the same team, that is the country. This feeling of togetherness is important for a country to do well. Do you understand that? Erosion of national unity. If citizens actively work against each other based on regional differences rather than working together for common goals, it weakens the sense of unity that a nation needs to thrive. Do you understand that? All these are consequences of disloyalty. Okay? Another consequences of disloyalty, legal repercussions. In some cases, disloyal actions may have legal consequences. Engaging in activities that harm the nation or its citizens can lead to legal penalties, emphasizing the importance of adhering to the laws of the land, okay? Getting in trouble with the law. That is what this means. Sometimes, doing disloyal things can get people in trouble with the law. There are rules to keep everyone safe and happy, and breaking them can have serious consequences, okay? Engaging in activities like vandalizing public property as a form of protest against the government may lead to legal consequences, highlighting the importance of expressing concerns through lawful means. Do you understand? Another consequence, impact on well-being. Disloyalty can negatively affect the overall well-being of a country. When citizens do not actively contribute to the betterment of a society, it hampers progress and the ability to address common challenges. Do you understand? Things don't get better when people aren't loyal and don't help make things better. The whole country can suffer. Loyalty is like everyone pitching in to make the place where they live the best it can be, okay? Do you understand that? If a large portion of the population neglects civic duties like waste disposal, it can lead to environmental issues, affecting the well-being of everyone in the community. Okay? Loyalty involves actively contributing to the betterment of a society, right? So all these are consequences of disloyalty, okay? So today's lesson on national consciousness, we understood everything we looked at, right? We now know the meaning of national consciousness, and we have an idea of what loyalty and disloyalty means. And lastly, we looked at consequences of disloyalty, right? So we understood everything we talked about in today's lesson. So next we're going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment, right? Okay, that is good.